Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. My name's Alison and today I'm going to share with you this exquisite die set called Timeless Tea Jar. The die set for the Timeless Tea Jar will come on an A4 sheet for you. But when I say jar, I mean 2 jars, because there are actually 2 different shapes for the jars, both on the same sheet. So let's show you some of the die cuts just to see how it goes together. So here you can see the 2 shapes. So we've got the more squat shape on the top and the elongated shape on the bottom. So you're going to cut 2 of those to make the sides. Then you're going to need a lid. So your lid is made with this funny little shaped die. You're going to cut 2 of those. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how to make it. We've got all the decorations for tags on the bottom. And then moving on, we've got decorations for the sides, for all the little triangles, all those intricate little parts. There's a die for everything. You're not going to be left high and dry at all. So the last sheet then is the patterns for the elongated shape. So these fit the squat shape. And then the ones here fit the elongated shapes. You can see you've got a few different patterns to try. You've got lots and lots of variation. So hopefully you're going to come up with some gorgeous projects. So let's have a little look at some of these boxes. So you've got the lid that comes off. They look like vintage tea jars to me, and this is what they're based on. So you've got plenty of room inside to add lovely little trinkets, sweets, anything you fancy. Do you want to give a little tea party in a jar? You could do that. So you can see by the lids, they are absolutely decorated to the hilt. So this is one pattern. Let me just stretch over here. And this is another pattern, both for the same shape tea jar. So you can cut the panels in, as we've done here, and made a little lantern. So we've got a battery operated candle inside. So nice little idea there. Or you can layer the panels up. So moving on to the others, you may choose just to cut some of the panels in. So the little triangles on the top have been cut in on this one. And also the panels on the sides. So you can actually see what you're popping in your jar. This is a lovely little idea as well. The lid is a bit different. So we've got a nice little lid that will lift up. So you could pop a little ribbon around that as a closure. Really pretty. And then if you're going to go all out, this just says pure luxury to me. This is the tea I want. What a gorgeous jar. Look at all the deboss detail here. So pretty. And then don't forget, you can also make little cards. So this is a lovely little idea from Ruth. She's popped some little tags inside, just for you to write on. And then Christine has used the layers just to make a little card. So don't forget, never just think they're for one thing to do. There's lots of things you can do with your die sets. Don't forget to share with us your projects on our social media platforms. Happy crafting!